Goal of this activity is to work the legs, improve your side-to-side mobility. Here's what you're going to do. Stand slightly wider than hip width apart, grab a kettlebell, eyes are going to look forward. I'm going to go towards my left leg. The way I'm going to do that is by creating a little bit of pressure or weight through the inner heel and the base of the big toe on the right foot. I'm going to inhale, make sure I get foot, knee, hip, chest, eye all lined up, and the kettlebell or dumbbell is going to reach for my foot. Exhale, come back. Inhale, line it all up. Exhale, come back, making sure you're pushing off that foot. You'll feel the left leg in this case working. From the side, you want to stay fairly vertical on this. So it's going to be more like this as you push, not bending forward that way, which is common. If you are the person who bends forward, hinge back slightly like you're opening a door with your rear. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.